everyone, and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. It's a new year, Happy New Year, and I know a lot of people, myself included, just want to kind of get back on track after Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's eating. Now, don't be alarmed, I made a double batch of buffalo chicken dip for New Year's Eve and I'm still working my way through that. However, now I'm not dipping chips into it, I'm dipping carrot sticks. So, little baby steps over here in my kitchen. Today I wanted to share with you a really tasty and filling recipe for a green smoothie that doesn't taste like you're just eating a plant. For my green smoothies, I cross-referenced a bunch of recipes online, so this is kind of my version. All of the ingredients I'm using today I found at Aldi grocery store, so that's an added bonus to this recipe too. So I'm starting with some frozen pineapple and mango chunks. I have unsweetened almond milk, fresh spinach leaves. There's also chia seeds, which add a lot of protein, again making this nice and filling. I like the Aldi organic whole milk yogurt, and I got the vanilla flavor for a little extra sweetness. Then I have 2 fresh bananas and an avocado, which I'm going to tell you right now, don't use. We made the exact same smoothie yesterday, and the only difference was that we didn't have the avocado, and we liked yesterday's better. So just a hot tip for you there, ignore my avocado. And then I wanted to show you that I'm using my Vitamix blender, which I got as a Mother's Day gift 2 years ago. It was on sale at Costco for $100 off. So even though they are very expensive, it was a little less expensive and totally worth the price because it blends everything smoothly, like really smoothly, way better than my old blender. I didn't even know a blender could do this kind of thing, but it's so easy to use and I highly recommend it, or something similar. I have a family of 6, so it's nice to have this larger sized high-powered blender, but of course I'm sure a lot of people could get by with something a little bit smaller but equally as powerful. First, I added 2 whole bananas, and these weren't frozen, but they add a nice creaminess. Then I added a large handful of spinach, so that's probably a loosely packed cup of spinach leaves. Next was 2 cups of my unsweetened almond milk. Next was 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And again, this blender is so strong, you're not gonna have any crunch in the background of your smoothie. It'll still be really smooth, but you'll get that added protein from the seeds. Then I added about 1.5 cups of my frozen fruit chunks, along with 1/2 cup of the yogurt. So here are all of my ingredients in my blender. I did add a whole avocado, which made my smoothie extra creamy, although a little bit too thick for my liking, but you could certainly thin it out by adding some more almond milk. However, my biggest issue with it was that it took away some of the sweetness, and that is key in our family. We like our smoothies to be nice and sweet. I blended my smoothie for about a minute on full power. I was holding the camera in one hand and operating the blender with the other, so I didn't have an extra hand to hold on to the top. That's why it was kind of bouncing around at first. But you can see that almost instantaneously you have this creamy and very smooth drink. This smoothie is refreshing and sweet, and you cannot taste the spinach, which I love and I know my kids appreciate it too. I hope you give this one a try to kick off your new year. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe. I share a lot of behind the scenes information over there, just about my day-to-day life, more with my kids and my husband, and it's a lot of fun over there, so I hope you join me, again, at Anne's Family Recipe. And also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked my green smoothie recipe. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I will see you again soon with more family recipes.